the artist and the photographer, seek the mysteries and the adventure of experience in nature. Ansel Adams. Greetings and welcome to another episode of My Natural Life, where we inspire your mind, body, and spirit the natural way. I'm your host and trail guide, Vicente Harrison, and I'm here to show you simple ways that you can integrate nature into your everyday life for overall health and wellness. As you know, I'm about appreciating and caring for our natural environment and the beautiful landscape that we are fortunate to enjoy. A sunset, mountain view, or field of wildflowers has been inspiration for many, especially some of the most notable artists in the past and the present. Did you know there are many health benefits from creating art in nature? According to an article posted on the Scripps affiliated medical group website, artistic activities such as sculpting, painting, coloring, or drawing can lower stress levels and promote mental calmness. It can take your mind off your everyday life while providing a relaxing distraction. Another benefit of art is that it encourages creative thinking and imagination in kids and adults. Because art is about what the individual envisions, there is no right or wrong. People are empowered by that freedom and become more creative and bold. Art also boosts self-esteem and provides a feeling of accomplishment. It helps increase concentration and motivation, which makes it a great activity for those suffering from brain disorders like Alzheimer's or dementia. Today, we're going to merge my love for nature and my appreciation for art by creating ephemeral art while going on a nature walk. Now, according to childhoodnature.com, ephemeral art is a work of art that only lasts for a short amount of time and cannot be embodied in any lasting object. What I also love about ephemeral art is that it teaches children that everything that we value does not have to be material, that we can create and be creative without having physical elements such as a painting or a sculpture. It also teaches them to focus on the moment. Not everything in life is permanent, especially nature with the changing of the seasons. Joining me for this family activity are two of my favorite assistants, Vicente and Harper. Harper, how you doing?
I'm doing good.
How about you, Vicente?
It's Friday and I'm ready to have some fun.
So guys, today our project is going to be about ephemeral art. Ephemeral art is something that you probably did in school, where you find different things from nature and we're going to put them into an art project. Does that sound like fun?
Yeah.
So you can use leaves, sticks, anything that you want to create a beautiful piece of art. So remember guys, this is a different type of hike. I want you to look around and see what catches your eye so that we can put it in our piece of art. Harper, what's some of your favorite things to look at in nature?
I like flowers because they smell nice and they're very pretty.
All right. What about you, son?
I like trees because they give us oxygen to breathe.
All right. Well, make sure whatever catches your eye that we're collecting those items so that we can put them in our piece of art. You guys ready?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, look.
Now we've collected all of our items to begin our ephemeral art project. Harper, do you know what you're going to make?
I'm making a pine cone man inspired by an image.
How about you, Vicente?
I'm making a tree inspired by a holly bush I saw outside.
That sounds like fun, and I'm excited to see both of your projects. Are you ready to begin?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Wow, that was a fun ephemeral art project. Vicente, what did you like the most?
I like going on a hunt to find materials.
Harper, what about you?
Well, I like art in general, so I thought all of it was fun.
Before I let you take a look at their final projects, I'd like to show you mine. Just kidding. This is an advanced piece of ephemeral art done by Cecilia Berenstein. You can find more of her beautiful work at atelier.363 on Instagram. Now that we've completed our art projects, we can return all of these natural elements back to the earth for compost so that they can do what they do. This season, we have introduced a special segment called Creature Feature, where I highlight one of my favorite topics, wildlife. This artistic episode, we are spotlighting the peacock. Peacocks are large, colorful pheasants, typically blue and green, known for their distinctive iridescent tail feathers. These feathers, or coverts, spread out more than 60% of the bird's total body length. and boast immaculate colors and eye markings of blue, gold, red, and other hues. The large train is used in mating rituals and courtship displays. The term peacock is commonly used to refer to birds of both sexes. Typically, only males are peacocks, females are peahens, and together they are called peafowl. Peacocks are ground feeders that eat insects, plants, and small creatures. There are two familiar peacock species. The blue peacock lives in India and Sri Lanka, while the green peacock is found in Java and Myanmar, Burma. A more distinct and little-known species, the Congo peacock, inhabits African rainforests. Peacocks have been admired by humans and kept as pets for thousands of years, so you might see one at a refuge or neighborhood near you. We are dropping another new segment this season on My Natural Life called the PHN Salute. PHN stands for Peaceful, Healthy, and Natural, and we will honor people, both young and old, making positive contributions in their community. This week, we honor Betty Reed Soskin, the oldest National Park Service ranger in the U.S., turned 100 years old on September 22nd. Betty Reed Soskin became a park ranger at the age of 85 and serves the public admirably with education and public safety she provides. Ranger Soskin continues to work as a park guide at the Rosie the Riveter World War II Homefront National Historic Park in Richmond, California, a park she helped design. Ranger Soskin is a humble and modest leader whose action speaks louder than words. She is a champion and is someone who has fought for civil rights, for women's rights, and racial justice that all children can look up to. She has also been honored in El Sobrante, California, who renamed a school that is now the Betty Reed Soskin Middle School. We honor and salute your life and service, Ranger Betty Reed Soskin, with a My Natural Life, peaceful, healthy, natural salute. I think I tapped into my inner Kahindi Wiley with this episode and already have some creative ideas brewing for my next piece of art. Thank you for joining us today. We have some fresh new content for season number 2. So please remember to like, subscribe, and share this message of wealth with your friends and loved ones. Also remember, hit the notification bell below so that you don't miss a video. As we always say, until we meet again, stay peaceful, stay healthy, and stay natural.